Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi here. You're most welcome on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. I would like to request you people, if you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel because it will give me a lot of motivation to create such kind of content which is going to help people like you who would like to start their English speaking journey. So today I'm here with an interesting question which I used to ask to myself. I was confused about that and I was always trying to find out that answer. That the question is how to become fluent. Even though I'm sure that you people must be having the same question to yourself and you must be asking to others or maybe finding on some sites on Google, on YouTube, that how to become fluent. So I am just giving my level best to give you a great answer which can help you to become fluent, because I have been working on my communication skills for 2.5 years and literally I understood that what is the meaning of being fluent. So now I'm going to tell you, from the first day I was having this question and I was confused. A lot of people, they suggested me that by reading, by watching, by listening, or just by writing you're going to be fluent. But I understood that this is the practice of your mouth muscles. Until or unless you're not going to speak that language, you're not going to be fluent at all. So you will have to understand this thing from right now. Just start speaking from today onwards. So what I did when I started my journey, from the first day onwards, I started just practicing with the strangers, and it started helping me to become fluent. And another thing I would like to tell you, don't think that fluency is all about speaking like a super fast train or private jet. A lot of people, they speak really fast and they think that they are fluent and other people, they are not. But it is not all about like speaking super fast train. It is all about if you are able to express yourself without taking pause, without getting stuck. If you're able to do that, you are fluent enough and you are ready to go. You are ready to speak with the people. That's what I say. So what I started doing from the first day onwards, I started talking to the people and that started helping me just to become fluent. I will just give you an example that if you would like to have the six packs without going to gym, can you expect having six packs within few months? I don't really think so. So in the same case in a speaking, it is all about, this is the just work of your mouth muscles. Until or unless you will not speak that language, it is not going to be fit in your mouth muscles, like your jaws, your lips, your tongue, or just like that in your mouth. So you will have to speak as much as you can for becoming a better speaker. And for that, I have been following a statement that is, speaking comes from speaking. If you would like to become a better speaker, start speaking from today onwards. Yes, of course, whatever you are doing, that will help you a lot, like a lot. I will just tell you like what you can do for that. First thing, you can do practice tongue twisters as well. Tongue twisters are there. You can take tongue twisters, start helping and do practice, record yourself, do a lot of practice. Second thing, what you can do, you can take a paragraph and read out loud. It will help you to speak better and become fluent. And third thing, just you can speak on camera, sometimes you can record yourself. And fourth thing, sometimes you can speak in the front of mirror as well if you are comfortable. And fifth, and one of the most important things is as well, that is, don't forget to talk with the people. If you are not talking to anyone, I think you are not doing the final practice. You are doing everything but missing the final practice, because your goal is to talk with the people, to express your thoughts, to express yourself, whatever you would like to say to them. So that is the final practice for yourself. Until or unless you're not going to talk with the strangers, the people who speak good English, you will not be able to become better. So you will have to talk with the people, and there are several applications on like Play Store. If you will download, you will get a lot of people to talk with, and when you will start practicing in English, I'm sure that it will help you a lot to become fluent. So I told you a lot of practice to do. So it depends on you that if you are going to put a lot of efforts speaking in English, I'm sure without any tension you are going to be a good fluent speaker. A lot of people, they do take tension but not actions. Try to take action from today onwards and it will help you to become fluent in English. Thank you so much. Many thanks to you.